Hi. So I've been missing for a few weeks, a month. I don't know. As you can see, this is like a habit for me to wrap towel around my head every time I bathe. After I bathe, I don't know. Even when I want to get ready for school, also the last thing that I will do is my hair, because I always forgot that there's a towel. So I already prepare, wear makeup all, then going to school already. Then I realised my hair still got the towel. So as you can see today, I never wear makeup. Okay, and then shit, my mother's talking to me. Mama, no. So yes, continuing the topic. Alex Ong Alex Ong tu kan, yes. That guy is a very psychotic guy lah, basically. This is the kind of guy that belongs to IMH, not the ones that are in IMH now. Because, I don't know lah. Crazy people are out here, but not in there. Get it? You get what I mean or not? So, yeah. I don't know lah, what's that guy's problem. Gila apa? What? Then, I don't know, what I'm really disappointed in was the reaction of the people in the bus. Why is my Malay so my Malay pula, my English so thick the Malay accent. The people in the bus, the reaction of the people in the bus is like very cannot. I don't like it lah, because it's actually kind of stupid lah. This is the kind of people that you actually want to slap the face, because like when he already like push the lady down, then you guys like take action and then like sibuk-sibuk like that. When he's like talking to her and threatening her, you guys should already like stop him already, and then like take action. But it's not like when he use physical force, then you guys like sibuk. So moral of the story pula. So at the end of the day, we can tell that Singaporeans are basically bodoh lah. I don't know whether I am bodoh or not lah, but I'm not that kind of people who ignore such things in public. It's so stupid. That is for the Singaporeans part lah. Now for the Alex Ong part, is basically he's a psychotic guy who is actually quite dangerous lah. Quite dangerous, as you can see. He like that also go siao already. So that's Alex Ong's part. I don't know. He said he got some psychological problem. A person with mental disorder or whatever shit, or like they are psychotics, right? They never admit that they are psychotics. Which psychotics admit that they are psychotics? Because they're so psycho, they don't even know they're psycho. Their mind, like, okay, never mind. Yes, for Alex Ong's part. Now for the not my aurat, my rambut gonna show soon. Now for the auntie part auntie also I tell you, auntie, if you don't want this kind of thing to happen to you, then I suggest you press the bell earlier. Yeah, just because you're an elderly, right? Just because you are somebody who's old, that doesn't give you the advantage to press the button, the bell slow, like later. Where got such a law or like rules in Singapore where, oh, you are old, you can press the button late. Oh, you got slow reflex. So what? If you know you got slow reflex, you like long time ago already press the button already. And like don't menyusahkan like the entire people in the bus and cause that psycho guy to become psychotic. Auntie. So altogether, right, everybody's at fault lah. One is anger management psychotic guy. Two is an elderly that thinks she's an elderly who can take advantage of being an elderly. I don't know whether you understand that. Three is the fact that Singaporeans are nampak lagi. Oh no, my hair. Singaporeans are basically very stupid and want to step hero but too late already. So that's the end of my talk about this incident. It's slow, but it's my review. Bye.